In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time in MT5. One important thing to understand right from the start is that MetaTrader 5 or MT5 does not let you directly change the platform time from inside the app or desktop program. The time you see in MT5 is usually based on your broker's server time, which is set by your broker and cannot be edited by the user. So if you are looking for a time settings button inside MT5 itself, you will not find a direct option for this. However, there is an alternative that can help you line things up more closely with your own local time, especially if you are using MT5 on a mobile device or a computer that reads system time and region settings. The idea is to adjust the regional settings on your device, which can sometimes influence how times and sessions are displayed in the app. Start by going to your device's main settings. If you are on a phone or tablet, look for the general settings icon, usually shaped like a gear. If you are on a computer, open your system settings or control panel. Once you are there, look for the section related to date, time, or language and region. The exact wording will depend on your operating system, but it is usually labeled something like region, region and language, or language and time. Next, open the region settings. Here, you will see an option to select your country or region. This is where you change the country to match the time zone you want to work with. For example, if you trade sessions that are more active in a particular part of the world, you can set your region to a country in that time zone. After you select the desired country or region, confirm or apply the change. Once that is done, close and reopen the MT5 app or restart the platform on your computer. This refresh helps the application pick up the new regional settings from your device. Keep in mind the broker's server time itself will not change, but your local time display and how you interpret the trading sessions can become easier to manage. If things still look off, double check that your device's automatic date and time settings are correct, and that the region you chose actually matches the time zone you need. With these adjustments, you will have a more convenient way to align MT5 with your preferred time reference, even without a direct time option inside the platform.